Are you tired of bad breath and searching for a natural solution? Look no further. In this video, we will reveal an amazing way to stop bad breath using a common ingredient found in your kitchen. Say goodbye to embarrassing moments and hello to fresh breath with cucumber. So let's get started. Cucumber, a well-known vegetable, is not only delicious but also acts as a natural breath freshener. It's packed with valuable nutrients and contains a high water content, which makes it extremely hydrating for your body. But did you know that cucumber can also help fight bad breath? The key component in cucumber that helps combat bad breath is called phytochemicals. These powerful compounds neutralize the bacteria in your mouth, which are often the cause of unpleasant odors. By incorporating cucumber into your daily routine, you can naturally freshen your breath and boost your oral health. So, how can you use cucumber to prevent bad breath? It's simple. Just slice a fresh cucumber into thin pieces and chew them thoroughly. As you chew, the cucumber releases its natural juices, which are packed with antioxidants. These antioxidants not only eliminate bad breath but also protect your gums and teeth from harmful bacteria. Another great way to benefit from cucumber's breath-freshening properties is by infusing it into water. Simply slice a cucumber and let it steep in a pitcher of water for a few hours or overnight. The water will absorb the cucumber's essence and provide a refreshing, cleansing effect on your breath when consumed. Incorporating cucumber into your daily diet is not only a simple way to prevent bad breath but it also promotes overall wellness. You can add cucumber to your salads, sandwiches, or even enjoy it as a healthy snack. Plus, cucumber is low in calories, rich in fiber, and aids digestion, giving you even more reasons to make it a regular part of your meals. Now you know how to stop bad breath with cucumber. It's an easy, natural, and tasty solution that not only freshens your breath but also benefits your overall health. So grab a cucumber, slice it, and start enjoying its breath-freshening benefits today. Don't let bad breath hold you back, embrace the power of cucumber. Thanks for joining us on this cucumber adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-packed insights. Stay healthy, stay vibrant.